Hi, welcome back to another informative video on career counseling by Career Craft Acharya. I hope you all are doing well and doing great in your careers. Career is most important part for students as well as for parents. Bringing a balance between students' aspirations and parents' expectations is the most crucial part for any career counselor. Today, we bring you the inspiring story of Sheetal, a young woman with dreams as vibrant as the city she was born in Mumbai. Mumbai, the city of dreams. Sheetal, a 12th grade student with a commerce stream, had a dream that danced in her heart to become a fashion designer. However, her parents had different aspirations for her. They envisioned her completing her graduation and settling down soon. They wished for a job that was not too stressful, a path different from Sheetal's passion for fashion. Sheetal found herself in a state of confusion. The pressure from her parents to follow a conventional path added to the complexity. It seemed like clarity was slipping through her fingers. When Sheetal used to talk to her friends about their careers, she observed that they were highly focused and had a clear idea of what they wanted to do. When Sheetal confided in her friends one day about the situation she was in, they advised her to consult a Career Craft Acharya. Sheetal and her parents made the decision to see the well-known career counselor because they were intrigued and in need of guidance. Meeting Career Craft Acharya. As Sheetal and her parents sat down with Career Craft Acharya, the seasoned career counselor understood the importance of gaining a comprehensive insight into Sheetal's strengths and interests. To facilitate this, Career Craft Acharya recommended a series of psychometric and career-based aptitude tests. These tests were very helpful to analyze Sheetal's personality traits, strengths, and potential areas of interest. Through a meticulous evaluation process, the results provided valuable data that laid the foundation for a more tailored approach to career guidance. As the test results unfolded, Career Craft Acharya and Sheetal had a clearer understanding of her inherent skills and passions. The counselor used this information to align Sheetal's aspirations with realistic career options, ensuring that her chosen path not only resonated with her dreams but also accommodated her parents' concerns. Career Craft Acharya delved into Sheetal's psychometric evaluation. A fascinating revelation emerged. The tests indicated that Sheetal possessed a unique blend of artistic flair, a sense of accountability, and strong management skills. To everyone's surprise, the results also suggested her potential as a successful businesswoman, a facet Sheetal had never considered before. The psychometric and career-based aptitude tests became a pivotal tool in Sheetal's journey towards clarity. They helped bridge the gap between her desire to become a fashion designer and her parents' wish for a stable, less stressful career. With this newfound insight, Sheetal was able to make informed decisions about her future, and her parents gained confidence in the practicality of her chosen path. As the counselor shared these insights with Sheetal and her parents, a spark of excitement ignited. The idea of combining Sheetal's artistic talent with her managerial and business acumen opened up new possibilities. The notion of starting a ladies' dress designing business emerged, presenting a harmonious fusion of Sheetal's passion and her parents' desire for a stable, less stressful career. As Career Craft Acharya painted a vivid picture of the potential success that awaited Sheetal as a fashion entrepreneur, her parents were not only supportive but enthusiastic. The counselor addressed any concerns they had, providing a roadmap that assured financial feasibility and success in the chosen venture. With the support of her parents and the strategic guidance of the career counselor, Sheetal's dream of becoming a businesswoman in the world of ladies' dress design started to take shape. Remember, career counseling can be a guiding light in your journey. Stay tuned for more stories and insights from Career Craft Acharya. Like, share, and subscribe for more career-focused content. Until next time, this is Career Craft Acharya, signing off.